Alright, this is a video I've been meaning to make for a while now. I've been kind of requested by a subscriber to make this. What it is, it's a crappie rig that is supposed to imitate a little school of bait fish. 2 minnows. I fished this in lakes. I've used it in lakes, rivers, and ponds, and it's caught me limits of crappie every time. So, what you're going to need is anywhere from 4 is the lightest and 10 is the heaviest pound line. And you're going to use preferably 1/16 ounce jig heads is what I tend to go with. And then you're going to go with, as your lure, 2 little minnow imitation lures. I usually use the Bobby Garland minnows. Those have worked the best for me. You can use heavier jig heads if you're fishing deeper water, but 1/16 has always worked for me. So, what you're going to do now, you're going to get your line, and you are going to tie a simple overhand knot. Not too big, not too small. Make sure you have quite a bit of tag end left. So that's what it looks like. And then here's your tag end. So with your tag end, you want to put your jig head through that tag end line. If I can get, alright, there you go. Now, you're going to get your tag end line right here and wrap it around your main line up here 5 times. This is probably one of the harder parts to making this rig. So wrap it around 5 times. Three, 5. Alright, once you've wrapped it around 5 times, you're going to get your tag end line again, and then you're going to put it through your overhand knot, so this little loop here. Now, once you've done that, you're going to pull your jig head and your tag end line, and it should make a little loop. Oops, 1 second. So it should make a loop up here like this. Now, it's going to be like 2 little ends of line. So it's not going to be tied at the base here. Instead, it's going to be tied all the way up there. It's going to look like that. And it's not going to slip. So this knot's not going to go all the way down there. It's going to stay right here. So make sure you pull that tight. After that, you're going to cut you another piece of line. You're going to make sure it's a little bit longer than your the first line you have. So get your line right here. And you are going to tie on right here. Right above this knot that you just made, you're going to put your line up here and you're going to tie a single uni knot. Alright, after you do that, put that through that hole right there. And tighten it up. So now, you should have something that looks like that, and then just a little piece of line dangling off that. So what you're going to do now, you're going to get that other line and tie it, the end of the line you just tied on, with a single uni knot, and tie the end, a jig head onto the end of that. Like this. And for this, I'd also tie another single uni knot. times. And then put it through this hole right here. Alright. Now that you've done that, it should look something like this. So you have one jig head on the bottom and one jig head on top. So now what you're going to do is you're going to put your minnow imitations on. And after you've done that, you are done. So it should look that the rig is now complete, and it should look like this. So you have one on top and then one on the bottom. Now, the only thing that's bad about this rig is it tends to get tangled sometimes, but as long as you're catching fish, it's fine. Thank you for watching this video.